Hey guys, Black Scat 392 here. Wanted to give you an update on the car. Since this morning it was kind of crummy out when I got home from work. It was still raining. We didn't go anywhere. But as the day went on, it got a lot nicer out. When it did get a little bit nicer out, I decided I install an LED interior kit that I picked up off Amazon. It was about $24, free shipping. It came to me in about 2 days. It was really nice. The packaging wasn't the greatest. It was just an envelope with a bag with a bunch of little bulbs in it. That was it. I wasn't really thrilled about that, but everything went in easy. It worked. They're definitely 100 times better than the factory, those yellowish type lights that this car has in them. I'm going to add a link to the LED kit that I purchased off Amazon in the description below. If the link doesn't work for some reason, I believe it was called LED Parts Now. I think that was the name of the company. If you want to search them on Amazon, you can find them. It is definitely a lot better. Right now I'm sitting in the car. It's nighttime. Let's just flip them on so you can see how much brighter it gets in here. It's a lot better. So I got a bunch of pictures I will add in this video, and a quick video that I did walking around the car so you can see what it looks like. I really don't think the pictures do it justice because it is so much brighter, but I mean, you guys be the judge. Let me know if you like it. If you don't, leave a comment, like the video. Guys, have a good night.